evening, Namibians. Today, a total number of 1,686 results were received from the laboratories. Of these, 311 samples tested positive for COVID-19. 165 are female and 146 are male. The youngest is 3 weeks and the elder one is 95 years old. The cases are spread as follows. Commerce region, 171 in Windhoek. Erongo region, 86, 67 from Walfish Bay, and 19 from Swakopmund. Oshikoto region, we have 14 cases. Tsumeb recorded 4, Onajokwe 9, and Omusia 1. Ohagwena region, we have 9 in Engela, 1 in Enana. Oshavanjupa region, we have recorded 8 cases. Grootfontein 4, Okahanja 2, Oshiwarongo 1, and Okakarara 1 as well. Karas region, we have 6 cases, and all 6 are from Keetmanshoop. Kavango East, we have 5 cases in Rundu. Oshana, we have 4 cases in Oshakati. Hartap region, we have 3 cases. 2 are from Marintal, and 1 is from Riekos. Omusati in Oshikuku, we have 2 cases. On Maheke region, we have 1 case in Kopape. In Zambezi region, we have 1 case in Katima Mulilo. The total 311. The COVID-19 pandemic is not getting any better, not only in Windhoek, but the situation is really worrisome in most parts of the country. Of the cases we report today, 19 are healthcare workers. Of these, 16 are from Commerce region. It remains the responsibility of the employer to protect the workforce, both in the public as well as in the private sectors. Let us ensure that all staff members are having appropriate personal protective equipment. The cases from Erongo region today almost double the figure we had yesterday, from 46 to 86. This is why we did not want to relax when we reported fewer cases from Erongo a few days ago. The cases from Oshikoto doubled from 4 to 8, and those from Oshavanjupa doubled from 8 to 8 cases over a period of 2 days. From Oshikoto region, more cases are reported from Onajokwe district, while in Oshavanjupa region, Okahanja and Grootfontein record more cases. Ohangwena cases increased from 2 cases reported yesterday to 10 cases reported today. Most of the cases reported from Ohangwena region are from Engela district. The cases in Karas remain constant, although we had a high number of 26 cases yesterday. We have noted with concern the rapid increase in the number of cases reported from Kavango East, specifically from Rundu district. 16 cases were reported in the last 3 days. The first case reported in this region was on the 30th of July, 2020. So far, 45 cases were reported in Harta. 37 of these cases were recorded during the last 3 weeks since the beginning of August 2020. The cases are coming from Mariental and Riopos districts. Omusati has recorded 15 cases from all 4 districts. 13 cases were recorded from the 7th of August 2020. The region is registering 1 case on a daily basis. Oshikuku district has recorded more cases than other districts. Cases are rapidly increasing in Omaheke, with 23 cases recorded in a space of 9 days. The total number of cases reported from Zambezi thus far are 19. 12 of these cases were reported during this week. About 50%, which is 2,686 of cases, were recorded in the last 2 weeks countrywide. Again, it is being reported that the number of cases are coming from social gatherings like funerals, weddings, and religious events. Therefore, measures against this cannot be overemphasized. It should remain the responsibility of all of us to ensure that we are striving to bring the number of cases down. 11 cases are in severely sick conditions, while 4 are in critical condition. They are distributed as follows. Erongo region, we have 4 severe cases and 1 critical case, that totals 5. Khomas region, we have 7 severe cases and 3 in critical condition, that total 10. So the total of these cases are 15. 3 cases from Katima Mulilo, Zambezi region have recorded. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow countrymen and women, with sadness, I inform the nation that we have lost 4 more lives due to COVID-19. 1 from Enanas district, Ohangwena region. 1 from Swakopmund, and 2 from Wolfish Bay, that is Erongo region. The one from Enana is a 49-year-old female, initially seen at a private health facility in Enana on the 18th of August 2020, with symptoms consistent with COVID-19. She was in contact with a confirmed case. She was then referred to a public health facility in Enana on the 19th of August. She did not have pre-existing condition. Her condition deteriorated, and unfortunately, she died in the early hours of the 20th of August. She was tested, and the result for COVID-19 came out positive on the 20th of August. The one from Swakopmund is a 60-year-old female known with multiple comorbidities. She presented to a local health facility on the 17th of August with some symptoms consistent with COVID-19. She was tested and referred to Windhoek the same day, as her condition was critical. The patient, however, deteriorated and succumbed upon arrival in Windhoek. Her results came out as positive on the 19th of August. A 74-year-old female from Wolfish Bay known to have multiple comorbidities presented at a local health facility on the 18th of August in a very sick condition. She was admitted at the local facility and her condition deteriorated and unfortunately died on the 19th of August. The patient was swabbed posthumous and the results returned as positive. A 37-year-old male from Wolfish Bay, known with a comorbidity, presented at a local health facility on the 26th of July with symptoms consistent with COVID-19. He was swabbed and admitted to the local health facility. His results turned as positive on the 27th of July. The patient was in a severe condition and referred to a health facility in Windhoek. He further deteriorated and passed on the 21st of August